Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your Samsung phone in just a few easy steps. So let's begin. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and find this option called Wallpaper and Style and simply tap on it. Here you will see three main options: change wallpapers, color palette, and a toggle for dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. Tap on change wallpapers. Now you can pick from featured wallpapers. This is Samsung's default collection. Or you can also select an image from your gallery or explore other wallpaper services like dynamic or rotating wallpapers. Choose the one you like. Let me go with the one from my gallery. Let me go with this one and tap done at the top right. Once you choose the one you like, select whether you want it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Let me go with both for now and tap next. Tap done at the top right. And your wallpaper is updated instantly. And that's it. You have just changed your Samsung wallpaper. Explore the color palette and dark mode options too for extra customization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.